Part 2. This is my real house. I'm from Pilipinas. I want to go to Japan. Philippines. Panunumpa sa tawat ng Pilipinas. Ako'y Pilipino, buong katapatang nunumpa at sa kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayan ng mga-Diyos, makakalikasan, makatao at magabansa. It's so hard! God. But my mom said carefully. By the way, this is part 2. Hey, yo, why she look like Barbie? I want a pony. She is done. This is so satisfying. This is actually not. Yeah. The final touch. Don't mind that.